welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. I know it's been a minute since I have posted anything on YouTube, and I've been very irregular, I know that, but oh my god, it's so hot. I have to like switch off the fan also. By the way, Mumbai weather, it's insane. Like right now, it is
2,000 years later.
27th of December, and it's so hot. I'm wearing like a very light t-shirt and it's so sunny outside. It's like we don't get to see winters. Why? Like why it's so hot all the time? So I already had my breakfast. Today I'm gonna take you guys with me throughout the day, whatever I do and how my day is basically. I have decided to make a hair mask. I want to do a hair mask because my hair has been feeling super dry. I don't know why, like my scalp has been feeling super dry. So I want to do a hair mask for that, and after that I might just do a face mask, but I'm not sure about the face mask. But then I'll probably take a shower and then we'll head to the gym. All right, I switched on the AC. Yeah. So the plan is to use yogurt or whatever, dahi or whatever you have as a base. I mean, whatever you have, yogurt or dahi, that's it. That is what I'm going to use as my base, and then in that I'm gonna add this hair oil. I have never used this before, and honestly it's been like 6 months or I don't know, a year since I put oil in my scalp. I never use oil. I only use like hair masks and conditioner and hydrating things on my like lengths of my, because it had been like making my scalp really irritated, and sometimes you just need to go off oil to like see if it is better for you. Yes, of course it was better for me, but then now I just feel like my scalp needs some oil. And also this specific oil, like it's not a paid promotion or anything, this specific oil is like very interesting because it has this, there are these ingredients, if you can see inside, like you can actually see those ingredients. It's very interesting, so I was like, let me just try putting this. So we are gonna mix this and the golden ingredient, ta-da, rosemary oil. Now this is supposed to help with your new hair growth. Rosemary is like going very viral on the internet that it is going to help with your new hair growth. I don't know if it is research backed, but it is supposed to help. You put a drop of this and a few drops of this and a lot of yogurt. So wanted to ask you guys that would you be comfortable if I shoot my vlogs and if I make my videos in English or in Hindi? Let me know about that, because I have been getting a few requests about making videos and vlogs or whatever I make in Hindi. I don't mind because I'm comfortable with both the languages. I am okay with both of them. So let me know in the comments, or maybe DM me or anything. That would be of great help. Whatever you want will happen. Okay, coming to this yogurt, let's do it. Or do you want it to be like a mixture of both the languages? I don't mind that as well. 1 tablespoon of yogurt. I think I'll take 1 more. It's quite like creamy, so I don't want my hair to be like super chipku. I'm just gonna take 1.5. Into that I'm gonna add this Revive My Roots Nayurveda or Niveda hair oil. Few drops of this in the yogurt. Rosemary essential oil. Okay, never use rosemary essential oil directly on your scalp. Never use any essential oil directly on your scalp. Okay, you need to dilute it with something like a carrier oil, or basically almond oil, any kind of oil, and then you just put a few drops of essential oil into the carrier oil. Never use like directly on your skin. It smells so good. Oh, by the way, I did cut my fringes. I am gonna post a video about this on my Instagram, so if you are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow. I'm gonna post how I like cut these fringes for myself. I have this brush that I'm gonna use. It's a very regular old brush. that I don't use now. So I'm just gonna take it, start applying the hair mask on my scalp. I'm just gonna section my hair and like keep applying it. Yogurt has basically lactic acid, which is supposed to exfoliate your scalp, and it also has cleansing properties, so it is going to like cleanse your scalp and all that roughness away. Not exactly roughness, but like the dryness. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit on my hair for about an hour and then we're gonna wash it off. Alright, so as this is sitting on my hair, I decided to water my plants because I water them every week or sometimes twice a week. Let me just show you. Okay, so this is a pothos, which is also known as a money plant. It is going up, 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 but it ends somewhere over here, and this one is here. It's coming from here. So this one is one and this one is another one. So I have two pothos, and my little tulsi is dying. I don't know why. I had like watered it frequently, but abhi to it's completely like the leaves are also gone. Let me know guys what to do to grow a good tulsi plant, because this is not happening. It's like drying, it's dying, and I want it to grow. But pothos, I'm an expert now. Now I know how to grow a pothos. It's so mashallah, mashallah. It looks so good. I love it. I also have this erica plant, but the thing with this is that it is right opposite to the AC. Like it's opposite to the AC, so the wind is directly, like the dry wind is kind of like irritating this plant, but I don't have anywhere else to keep it, and I generally don't use AC so much, so it's fine over here. But you know, sometimes I see some leaves are getting dry. I don't know if it needs a fertilizer or something. I really don't know, and I'm not an expert. I just have some plants and I just try to wing it, like whatever I understand. Of course, I watch a lot of YouTube videos before getting a plant. Erica, it's been like a year to this plant since I got it, and it has like of course grown and everything. It's only that because of, I think, the dry wind, it is getting this dry leaves, but otherwise it's quite healthy. I have one more pothos over here, so this is also growing. By the way, all of these, this one, that one, all of these are this one's babies. So what I do is like I trim a piece of stem from this, and then I put it in water. I don't know if I still have propagated anything. Yeah, I have. So I put it in this kind of a jar, and then with water like coming till here, see, it'll grow some roots on its own in like a month, or yeah, like usually a month. And then once I see a lot of roots growing, I put it in this kind of a pot in soil, and then it starts flourishing. So yeah, this is how all of this have like come from this one, from this. So she's the mother, and these are all the children. This one, that one, that one. Took a shower, feels great. Also, I never tie my hair like this with the towel. It's not good for your hair. I usually just let them air dry. Alright, so right after I come out of the shower, I use this. This is the Redken acidic bonding concentrate leave-in treatment. I love this stuff. Like, I love the entire range of Redken. Just take a little bit of it and on my lens. Also, I make sure that I apply it on damp hair and not dry hair. That's how you see great results. My hair feels super soft, and even my scalp feels great after that yogurt mask. Like, my scalp feels quite clean and nice. So yeah, that's about it. Now I'll just let them air dry. Basically, once it is 50% dry, I take a velcro roller and take this section of my hair, which is this fringe, and I roll it back and I blow dry it. But that is something that I would show you guys in some other video because it's an entire process. Let me know if you guys want to see my hair care routine, like my entire hair care routine. I would love to show you guys. Yeah, now I just probably get ready. I'm too tired now. I don't know if it's only me or tired after taking a shower. Like, I get damn tired. Anyways, let's go. Okay, I just came back from the gym and my mom was asking if I want to have lunch, but I'm thinking I'll skip lunch because we are going for a movie. I just booked a movie for me and my mom. We are watching Shah Rukh Khan's new movie called Dunki or Dunki, I don't know exactly, but we are going for that because today I'm free and I have all the time. Right now it is 2:30, so and the show is off 3:30, so we'll quickly get ready and leave. The theater is like 2 minutes from my place, so we'll leave right like 5-10 minutes before the show. Also, I'm excited to have popcorn because honestly, like, I have not had any junk food or anything apart from my like home cooked meals and like my healthy stuff since a really long time. Like, it's been almost a month. Of course, I had a lot of things at home like gajar ka halwa and all that, but nothing from outside. So yeah, today's the day. Mom is already getting ready, so I'll quickly change from my gym wear and we will leave. हमें लिपस्टिक लगानी है. After coming back home, I made some prawn rice. It's super easy to cook and it's quite healthy as well. So I fried some garam masala with onions, and once it became translucent, I added marinated prawns in it. So I marinate them in red chili, turmeric powder and salt, and then I cover and cook until the prawns are cooked. Some dried mint leaves. You can add fresh mint as well. Into that, I'm gonna add some coconut milk and then mix it well. Adding my cooked rice now and then cover and cook for 5 to 10 minutes on low flame. I added coriander at last and it is ready to eat. So, this was my dinner.